Faceless videos are raking in thousands of dollars every month, and it's all happening without ever showing your face. If you're not jumping on YouTube automation in 2025, you're leaving one of the biggest online opportunities on the table. YouTube automation is one of the most powerful business models out there, if not the best. In just the past few months, AI has taken the world by storm, making content creation easier than it's ever been. What makes this even better is that you can launch a successful channel with little to no money, and you could be up and running right after watching this video. I'll walk you through everything. From setting up your channel, choosing a viral niche, crafting the perfect video, to nailing SEO optimization. And trust me, what I've just outlined is only the tip of the iceberg. Get ready for some game-changing insights. Before we dive into all that, let's kick things off with the most crucial step, choosing the right niche. I know you might be feeling unsure about which niche to choose, but don't worry, you're in luck. I've got the perfect niche for you, and it's one of the fastest growing on YouTube right now. So let me explain. If we take a look at this channel, we can see this account just started uploading videos a month ago, but there's already one video with millions of views, specifically 2.6 million. The other videos are doing great too, with most getting hundreds of thousands of views. As of the time I'm posting this video, those numbers are still going up. It sounds unbelievable, but it doesn't stop here. This 3-week-old channel posted videos in the same niche just 3 weeks ago, and it already racked up 1.5 million views. This is completely mind-blowing. Interestingly enough, there are other channels that use the same strategy, but they're focused on Jim Rohn, and they're also doing really well. Many of the videos on those channels are getting close to 1 million views. Another account posted a video just 6 days ago, and it's already nearing 180,000 views. That's how viral this niche is trending right now. So there's no better time to get started than right now. Now listen closely. After spending countless hours analyzing these channels, I finally cracked the secret behind their viral success. That's exactly why in this video, I'm going to break down everything step by step. By the end, you'll be ready to launch your own Faceless channel in the same niche and watch it blow up. But as I mentioned earlier, in this niche, some channels focus on Napoleon Hill, while others go with Jim Rohn. In this video, I'll be using Napoleon Hill as an example to show you how to create videos in this niche. But if you're not interested in Napoleon Hill, you'll need to pick another figure in the same category. So the question is, how do you find the right person for your channel? Well, the answer is simple. I've already prepared the prompts for you. To make it easier, I compiled all the prompts for this video into a Google Doc, and the link is in the description. All you need to do is follow along with this video and find the corresponding prompts in the Google Doc. It's super easy. Let's take a look. First, go to my Google Doc, copy the 4 motivation figures prompt, and head over to ChatGPT or DeepSeek. I'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt there and hit generate. You'll get a list of figures. If you don't want to do a Napoleon Hill video, you can pick someone else from the list. After that, let's create the channel. I'm going to show you how to create a perfectly branded channel, so get ready because this is going to be insane. First things first, open up my Google Doc, copy the prompt for channel name, then go to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or another text generator you like. I will use ChatGPT. Paste the prompt here and click enter. Then choose a name you like or click to regenerate. Once done, ask ChatGPT to create a description for your channel. All you have to do is go to my Google Doc, copy the prompt for channel description, paste to ChatGPT. Now you have to copy the channel name you like and replace it here. Click generate, and just like that, you've got the perfect name and description for your channel. Now go to YouTube Studio, click customization, paste your chosen name, pick a catchy handle, and don't forget to add that description. But here's the thing, you're still missing a channel logo. So we have to download AM image of Napoleon Hill. All you need to do is go to Google, search Napoleon Hill, then find the one you like and download it. Go back to YouTube Studio, upload the image here. And after that, don't forget to click publish, and just like that, your channel is totally ready. Next, we need to pick a topic for your video. You can either choose a topic you want to work on or just use my prompt. Go to my Google Doc, copy the for topic prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Pay attention here. This is where we tell ChatGPT how many topics we want it to generate. You can replace the number with whatever you need. I'll go with 10. Also, if your video isn't about Napoleon Hill, make sure to replace his name with the person you've chosen. Hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to work its magic. Once the topics are ready, pick the ones that best suit your video. Now that you've got your topic, it's time to create the script. Head back to the Google Doc and find for script. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then scroll down to the placeholder at the bottom and replace it with the topic you've selected. Hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. But here's something you should know. The typical word count for the channel we're modeling is around 4,000 words or more. Unfortunately, most AI text generators struggle to produce more than 1,000 words in one go. So to solve this, my prompt includes instructions that break the script into parts, each about 1,000 words long. Once the first part of the script is generated, type continue and hit enter. Then wait for the second part to be generated. Repeat this until the full script is ready. Once the full script is generated, it's time to move on to the voiceover. Typically, we'll find that the model channel uses Napoleon Hill's VoiceOverist. If you have the budget, you could go to 11 Labs for a VoiceOverist clone. But if you're on a tighter budget, I'll show you another method. First, open this channel and pick any video. You can download it and cut it into 10 min chews. Then, go to YouTube, sign up or log in. Once you're in, click AI VoiceOver and you'll land on a new page. Click there to search for matching voiceover ICs. Drag the video files here and wait for the results. Honestly, this might take a while. Once the results are in, listen to the voiceover ICs. If one doesn't sound like Napoleon Hill, don't worry. You can adjust the pitch and speed to make it more accurate. After some testing, I found that Satoru Goju with speed 0.9 and pitch 2 sounds pretty close. If you're using a different figure, just go through the same process, testing different voiceover ICs. This method is the most cost effective for this type of video. Of course, if you have a bigger budget, just use 11 Labs to get a voiceover IC clone. Now copy your generated script, paste it into DupeDub, click here, wait for it to generate, and then download the audio in MP3 or WAV format. Once you have the voiceover, we can move to video editing, but before editing, we still need some materials. Today, we're using Canva. Go to canva.com, sign up or log in. Click New Project, name it if you like. Make sure the ratio is 16.9. First, we need a background image. Click Elements and search Black Texture Background. Choose a free one if you don't have a pro plan. Resize it to cover the entire screen. Click Add a Page, then click Elements again. Search for Black Background. Choose a free one if needed. Right-click and select Layer, then click Send to Back. Now search for Floral Branch Hand Drawn. Pick the one you like. I'll choose this one. Click here to change the color to white. Adjust the size and position. Copy the floral image twice, adjusting their size and position accordingly. Once you're happy with the layout, click Share and Download. Choose JPG or PNG. If you select PNG, you can download the image without the background, pro plan required. Select All Pages and Download. Next, search for Film Grain. We need a video. Click See All. Choose the one you like, resize it, and click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video, select Current Page, and hit Download. Now we have all the materials. Go back to CapCut. Import all the materials into CapCut. Let's start with the opening. Upload the voiceover, film grain, and black texture background. Copy the film grain and adjust its duration to match the voiceover. We can see the film grain is covering the background, so select the film grain, go to Blend, choose Color Dodge. You can adjust the settings here if needed. Now, click Text, add default text. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the opening quote. Now go back to CapCut and cut and paste the quote into the text box. Adjust the duration to 7 seconds. Hit enter to make it multi-line. Choose a suitable font. I like this one. Copy it and place it between 5 to 7 seconds. Change the text to the author's name and adjust the color to your liking. I'm using orange. Select animation type 1. Next, go to audio, search for typing. Choose the sound you like and add it. Trim the audio to 7 seconds. Move the voiceover to start after the 7-second mark. Now import the speaker's image and the flower you made in Canva. Adjust the duration to match the voiceover. Both images need to have their background removed. Resize them to fit the frame. Also adjust the speaker's image accordingly. Apply the high contrast filter to the images. Next, click Captions and choose Auto Generate. Select the template and choose Multi-Line, then place it appropriately. Change the case to uppercase. Now your video is ready. Just download it.